curious about the top that Angel is wearing, well, it's time to talk about it. It's the Winter Rose Garden Embellished top. $66 gets it home, $22 on Easy Pay, double extra small to 5X. 26.5 to 32.5 inches is your length. A 675, 837, $22 on Easy Pay. Angel, it's kind of crazy because this is absolutely beautiful because on the front and the back, you're getting that lovely floral design. Blue bonnet here. You know I'm going to love this candy pink. I mean, this is fabulous, duh. And then take a look at that black. This is so sophisticated. Now, this is the most limited option, only $350 to go around. 800-500-7590 is the number to call. So, Angel, let us walk through some of these details here. I'll pull the blue up. Maybe we can start with oh, go ahead.
Okay. No, say 100% cotton. We get a lot of requests for 100% cotton. We have long sleeves on this, great for any time of the year, especially right now, that round neckline. But Melissa, I'm going to throw it back to you because you were getting ready to dive deep into these gorgeous florals.
I was. I mean, first of all, I just want to talk, the neckline is really nice.
Yes.
I love a rounded neckline, especially for this time of year if you do want a little bit more. I love a rounded neckline, but these little stones are just the perfect kiss of sparkle against that floral design. I think this is a really great top that you could definitely wear for work or like an event. I don't know why I think Mother's Day. I mean, I know it's January, but like this is a great top to wear now and then maybe you get two and then save it for those other occasions. I mean, this is,
I love it.
This is really fancy. I love how you guys do florals in so many different ways. You're always changing it up.
Our team is absolutely amazing. I have to tell you, Melissa, I've been working with them for a very long time and they continue to wow me. You know, every time I see something, I'm like, wow. So they're always looking to innovate. Yeah. You know, as you were saying at the beginning of the show, we've been here at QVC for almost 30 years. And you're not at QVC for 30 years if you don't continue to innovate, create, bring beautiful designs, and have amazing quality.
Yes,
right?
I agree.
So, yep. Go ahead. I'm sorry I cut you off. It's so hard with Skype. I'm very sorry.
Oh my God, you're fine. You're fine. No, you're great. I agree 100%. Keep on going, girl.
So then so this is a beautiful printed floral. This is not embroidered. It is printed on. But this is not that, you know, cheap print on the t-shirt that you get at the location where you're vacationing, where after you wash it once or twice, it's going to peel off. This is not that print. This is a high quality. We only seek the best quality for this type of top. And then it cascades just over the shoulders, a little down the arms, beautifully. And what I like about this for me, and for, you know, if you have a fuller bust, I don't really have a fuller bust, but if you have a fuller bust, not everybody wants something right here.
Yeah.
Right? So here we're giving you that detail, that illusion of a broader shoulder, and it comes in on the back as well and just kind of drizzles down your arms so beautifully. So this is great to wear if you if you have a favorite vest that you can layer for right now. If you're chilly, you know, it's going to be 8 degrees overnight here in Pennsylvania. You know, if you wanted to layer this under a cardigan, you'd still get a little peek of the florals popping out from under the cardigan. And then we give you just that little kiss of sparkle on there as well.
Can I just say, we have these pants coming up in this evergreen color. Look at that. See, I have a pink shoe on. I love it. Is that not fantastic?
I love it. And I'm gonna go up one.
Okay, let's do it.
And I'm gonna say the charcoal gray.
Okay, because I had that with the black.
Because
yeah, you could play.
The pink, I love charcoal gray and pink together.
Yeah, that's a great combo.
I just love it. I just love that combo. So, you know, just something to keep in mind. And then, you know, if you're like me, I'm always warm anyway. So it doesn't matter if I have long sleeves, 3/4 length sleeves, or short sleeves. I tend to zhuzh. I tend to, you know, pull up my sleeves. So if you love this and you're wearing this into the garden party season, maybe you have a high tea with your women's group coming up in March or April.
Yeah.
You could wear this with a skirt or with a beautiful pant, maybe a cropped pant or something flowy.
Yeah.
I mean, it will look really elevated and beautiful, and you will be, you know, that rose with no thorns, of course.
Of course, unless you want to have thorns, but that's a whole other story.
Yes.
If you want to be a little spicy.
Unless it takes you an hour and a half to get to work on a snowy day. Then you might have a couple of thorns, but not you, my friend.
Never. Nope, full of sunshine and roses over here. So here's your candy pink. We have your blue bonnet. And then we have this black. This is your most limited option, so don't wait. And by the way, we keep putting those pants with each outfit. Only pant in the show, under $50. To get this whole outfit home, a 675-837, double extra small to 5X with this top. It's really, really fantastic. Give us a call, 800-500-7590. All right, so coming up in less than 10 minutes,